Today we will learn how to draw a triangle when a side and one angle will be given. Along with them, difference between the two remaining sides value will be given. Let us begin. So let us watch this video to see the real way of construction, and then we will give you the steps.
Let us construct triangle XYZ in which YZ length is given 7.4, angle Y is given 45 degree, and now they have given XY minus XZ equals to 2.7. In the previous video you have seen some of the two sides of the triangles were given. Now in this, difference of the two sides are given. We have to be very careful in this one because our xy is greater than xz. Why? Because xy minus xz equals to 2.7. When you subtract smaller number from the bigger number, you get positive value. Therefore, xy is greater. Let us see how to do construction. For that, first we will draw a baseline. We need to extend to get a bigger line. Name it as YZ 7.4 centimeter. Now we will take protractor as we have done before. At Y we will make 45 degree angle of the ray passing through Y and the point. Extend it for your convenient. As we have done previously, we have assumed a new alphabet. Here also we will to assume an alphabet that would be YA. That is XY minus X. So I will get a point. For that, I will take rounder, keep the pointer at Y, and the radius will be 2.7. Cut an arc on the upper side. When I am saying upper side, why? Because our xy is greater than xz. Adjacent side of the given angle is greater than the opposite side. So the arc will be cut on top. Clear? So you will have a point here, which is 2.7 centimeters. Let us join this A with Z point. I need to draw perpendicular bisector of AZ. So more than half up and down. Same with Z here. No problem. We will come back here again. So we got the 2 points. Passing through these 2 points, we will draw line which will intersect this line after extension at point. So this point will be named as X point. When you join this with your Z, you got the triangle. You will find that here XA will be equals to XZ. So this is the additional part you have got it here. So you got here xy is greater than xz by 2.7 centimeter. I hope it is clear. See you in next video.
Let us see the next part.
Let us construct triangle.
We have tried to show the same thing in a stepwise with the presentation so that it becomes easy for you, keeping the previous video in your mind, to construct it easily. So as they have given to you in triangle XYZ, one of the base side is given to you, YZ is 7.4, and one of the base angle is also given to you, 45 degree. They have also given you difference between the other two sides. YZ is the base whose value is given. The other two side difference is, that is XY and XZ. Again I'll tell you, XY is the adjacent angle of the given angle and XZ is the opposite angle. When I say difference, means any one of the two sides will be greater and the other will be smaller. When adjacent side of the given angle is greater, then what we are doing, we have to continue it. But if opposite side is greater, then that will be shown in the next video. Let us start with the construction. So first baseline, we got a baseline here. Now we will have an arc which will help us to get YZ, and we will write down value here as 7.4. Then we will draw angle whose value will be written there. Now we need to get the A point, which is 2.7 centimeter from Y. Got it? We will put the value there, and then we get it AZ side. Now we need to draw a perpendicular bisector of segment AZ. You all know how to draw it. From A and B, take more than half of the segment and draw arc on both the sides. So let us see from Z point first. We have taken from Z point and drawn the arc on both the side of AZ with the radius more than half of the length of segment AZ. Same radius, from point A we will cut the arc. So we have got two intersecting points, and passing through them we will draw a line. Got it? That will intersect the angle formed line, that is YA, at point which is known as X point, and that X point we will join with Z. So we got our triangle XYZ, what was required. In that, XA is congruent to XZ, you know the property, and in XY we have XA extra, that is 2.7, which indicate that XY minus XZ equals to YA, that is equals to 2.7. I hope it is clear to you. See you with the next video.